Young and the Restless revealed that Phyllis will be what makes Nick feel unhappy. He hopes that she confesses all her sins, but it will also affect Summer. In the episode that aired on June 27th, it will reveal that Summer was quite shocked by the information Chance brought when Christine wanted to sue her. Chance could be in a difficult situation that has something to do with Phyllis. Nick won't allow anyone to hurt his daughter, so he will soon have a new move, especially with Christine. He didn't receive any news about Diane being blamed and Phyllis being the cause of it all. He always wanted Phyllis to not cause anything too dangerous, even though Summer was always a priority. Summer is tired of having a hard time getting married with Kyle. He gets angry when she lies about her mother, even conveying up her Phyllis to run away. Nick understands the feeling Kyle is facing before, however, he hopes they should sit down and work through the issue together, but it seems Kyle still doesn't want to leave things to Summer like that. Phyllis was so tired of hiding that even here she might have to face Nick. Surely to this time he would not be able to act lightly on her. Summer tells him that he will do whatever it takes to protect Phyllis and keep her from going to jail. He never thought that Phyllis would come up with such a plan, even collaborating with Jeremy. This makes Nick even have a bad view of his ex-wife. Nick will feel it's time for Phyllis to be punished for what she did. He's been so tired and what's going on. Lately he feels that Phyllis is the cause of Summer's bad feelings, especially his married life with Kyle. Nick will feel a bit regretful for his harsh words when criticizing Phyllis like that, because he ended up going beyond danger to keep Faith and Sharon's mother and children safe, even trying to calm Sadly mind after the child's death. It's worse when Victoria wants his baby out of Newman. Whether it's time for Phyllis to rethink the issue, pay more attention to Summer, take the time to follow the latest details surrounding the TV series. We will always update the latest information, so please always love and support our channel, where you can watch all the episodes of the movie Young and the Restless. Kyle still can't get over what Summer has cheated on him, and this leads him to frequent bars for drinks. He gets even more intimate with Audra as she repeatedly comforts him. Well, where will the relationship between the two of them go? What will she gain from Kyle's place? Kyle couldn't accept that Summer was prioritizing her over himself. Even Summer was the first person Phyllis contacted after returning instead of Daniel. But most of all, the one thing wrong right now is his mother, Diane. Phyllis, along with Jeremy, created a plot to make his mother a murderer.